Madhava.
Hello, ma'am.
So, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine. This is Savitri from Quality Department. Today, I'm going to take a feedback from your side. So, first of all, congratulations for your placement. So, can
Thank
you
you, ma'am.
introduce yourself?
My name is Madhava. I'm from Visakhapatnam. I graduated BTech in Civil Engineering from Western Engineering College, ma'am.
Have you got to know about CMTI?
Ma'am, first I got to know CMTI through my friend. He said me about this course and how it gives me teaches me about the course, civil engineering in the field experience and also the about the placement assistance also.
Okay, Madhava Sai. So, in CMTI, which course you have taken?
I have taken an advanced construction management course, ma'am, CSE.
What you learn in that course?
Ma'am, I have learned about the quantity surveying which is required for in the field and also bargaining schedule and also reading of the drawings and also ma'am,
Okay, what are the softwares you learn in that course?
AutoCAD and SketchUp. Ma'am.
You have visited various site and showroom visit, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Which are the site visit and showroom visit you visited?
We went to Balaji finishing, ma'am, and also Pepper Fry and IKEA and also Home Depot, ma'am. For the
Okay,
and also we can.
Okay, Madhavan. So, what you have learned in site visit and showroom visit?
Ma'am, I got to know how the practical experience will be there, and also I got the exposure of fields, ma'am, in the constructions and
So, for which role you are selected?
graduate engineer training, ma'am.
Okay, how many rounds are there?
There are 4 rounds, ma'am. Technical test, aptitude, and group discussion and interview, ma'am.
Okay, you have used our CMT app.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what were the benefit of, and how it was helpful to crack the interview?
The CMTI app has given when I free time, I got the sessions to listen whenever I want, and also I had done tests on the for the preparation of interview, ma'am.
Okay, how was the staff and trainer support towards you?
It's very good, ma'am. They always supported me, and whenever I reached them for any assistance, they supported me, ma'am, immediately.
Okay, how was the coordinator support towards you?
Yes, ma'am. It was very good. They were responsive, and also immediately gave back assisted me, ma'am, whenever I have any issues.
Okay, how was the classes in hybrid?
It was good, ma'am. I got both conveniently, and also I got sideways also, ma'am.
Okay, finally, what do you want to tell your junior and friends who wanna go to join the CMTI?
I think CMT is a very good opportunity platform which bridges the distance between the students and the industry, ma'am. Industry needs, and I think every civil engineering graduate should. It's very good, helpful for them to join the CMT and complete the course.
Okay, thank you for your feedback, Madhavan. Congratulations for your placement. Have a bright future.
Thank you, ma'am.